Good morning.
Good morning.
Thank you so much to our parents and our guests for being here this morning. We have a lovely assembly by our fourth grade teaching team and our fourth grade students. Before we start, I have a couple of announcements. One, I hope you all can join us at the Camellia Parade this Saturday. I know that many of you are marching for baseball, soccer, Boy Scouts, Girl Scouts, Taekwondo. There's a lot of groups to be marching with. But if you would like to, one, you can just choose the best, which is us, or you can do double duty. A lot of kids go back and forth and come and do another walkthrough. So we'll be sending home information of what time and where to meet. You wear your Black Eagles shirt and represent Emperor Eagles in the parade. And we are so, so, so lucky to have two Emperor Eagles on the Camellia Court. Nayeli and Emma, can you stand up? Okay, so Emma is a banner carrier. She'll be carrying the banner. And can we please give her a big round of applause? And you also have royalty in the midst. We have the queen of the Camellia Parade, Miss Nayeli. So as you know, the Camellia Parade is really important in Temple City. We even one year did our own little Camellia Parade in front of our school because it was raining and we could not do it. So it is very important to us. We hope that you are there, either watching on the sides or you are marching in the parade with us, cheering us on. We are also going to have some staff members in the parade. We are going to have Mr. Rodriguez, Mrs. Conzaneri, and Miss Jackie in the front office. They're all going to be riding in the parade this year as recognized staff members. So I hope you can cheer them on too. Okay, you guys have a seat. Thank you. Thank you. This morning we have some very important guests. One, let's welcome all the families. Say good morning to the families. We have some members from our district office and board members. We have Miss Amy Gerling. We have board member Matt Smith, and we have board member Mary Sneed, and board member Donna Giorgino. They help make all the decisions for our school. We have the leader of our school district, Dr. Art Kuna. And I saved, I think I didn't. I know. I saved one for last. We have one of the most important members. Dr. Kuna is very important. The board members are very important. But Mr. Moises, he makes sure that you have your iReady up and working. I could also say YouTube, but you're not supposed to be on it. So instead, let's say thank you for all of his technology work and making sure you have iReady. Say thank you, Moises. So, if the Wi-Fi goes down, that's who we call. So, thank you all for being here today. Let us welcome our fourth grade team.
Good morning, Emperor School. We are your fourth graders. Today we are going to show you the importance of the Constitution.
But first we would like to start with the flag salute.
Please stand up.
to our future president. Constitution Day is celebrated every September 17th. Constitution Day exists to celebrate the sing of our Constitution in Philadelphia, 1787. Why do we celebrate this day in February? Because the Constitution creates the branches of government and gives them the power to govern.
However, it can also protect the citizens of the United States and guarantee their basic rights.
Now, more than ever, we need to unite together. We need to stand tall, stand up for what we believe in, stand up to prejudice, stand up to bullying, include others, and be kind. It's up to us, we the children, we the people, we the future of America.
Thanks to the amazing staff at Emperor, we've been encouraged to stand up and unite together.
Together we are strong. Together we fight for what is right. Together we lift each other up. Together we are eagles and fly high together.
What's so fun? Today we hope our performance inspires you to stand up for what you believe in.
And support others who feel like they don't have a voice.
So sit back, be inspired, and enjoy as we present to you, We the People.
In 1787, in Philadelphia, delegates from the 13 states changed America. They wrote the Constitution, the rules to guide the land, defined 3 branches of government, and today these rules still stand. They said we the people of the United States, in order for the more perfect union, establish justice, preserve domestic tranquility, provide for the common defense, promote the general welfare, and secure the blessings of liberty for ourselves and our posterity. For they established the Constitution for the United States of America. We the people, we the people, we the children, we the children, we the nation, we the nation, we the million, we the millions, we the people, we the people, we the soldiers, we the judges, legislator, stand up for our liberty, justice and honesty, our message from your unity. We the people, together united we stand, giving each other a hand, proud of this land we live in. We the people, together united we stand, giving each other a hand, proud of this land we live in.
We believe in liberty, democracy, the will of the majority.
Congress makes the laws, our courts interpret laws, the executive branch leads and enforces the laws. The creation of a nation with states, cooperation needs our participation because we, the people, keep the land we love because we, the people, are America.
We the people, together united we stand, giving each other a hand, proud of this land we live in. We the people, together united we stand, giving each other a hand, proud of this land we live in. We the people.
such a good audience. Let's give one more round of applause to our fourth graders. For all the fourth grade parents here, they're going to stay up here and we'll wait for everybody else to go back to class. So if you want to get a good picture of them by class or as a group, you have the opportunity to do that. Thank you all so much for coming. I am going to ask that you look to your teacher, everybody in the audience, look to your teacher for further direction. Look to your principal.
Okay, so parents, if you could do me a favor and let's have you go on the grass. If you guys go on the grass, that way we have room for the kids because some have to go get their backpacks, some are going all different directions. So if anybody over 18 is going to go that way. Kindergarten, you guys may get started. Fourth grade, that was amazing, amazing. Another round of applause for fourth grade. So kindergarten teacher, if you would like to stand up. Sorry parents, you're going to take a couple more steps back. There's a lot of kiddos.